Kuan ba? Tago-tago na kuan ba? Straight lang niya.
Yep, straight.
Tapos
Straight lang.
So
Dito din na?
scary.
Document mo eh?
Documenting your
Seven Hills.
hilly,
Talaga
your hilly journey. Up
nila.
Ito ba ginawa mo sa Waze to?
Always to. Ay, kasi ano eh, isa magbalik na siya sa highway.
Google Maps kasi is ano eh, mag-Google Maps wants you to stay within the highway. Pahana is leading you to.
Yung problem dito dito tayo pasok.
Tama lang.
May nakaharang eh.
Oo nga. Right ka dito.
Turn left tayo.
Sige.
I think sa Turkey, Hana, don't follow ways and shortcuts because it's so hard.
Yung shortcut.
People are just blocking the road without kasi Google Maps ano siya, highway. Ay naman ni Google Maps masyado na naka-default siya for highways.
Turn right. In 800 meters, turn right. And then keep left.
Straight and
Are we gonna return, Hana?
Ano naman?
Are we gonna do the U-turn pa? Hindi na. We passed that point. Kasi sa Google Maps there's a
Start tayo hindi ako nag-turn right ha?
Oh, straight lang.
Google Maps kasi had this like you have to stay in the highway and then this long U-turn you have to do to go up there.
Yeah, ayoko ng long
So this
turn.
one you diverted na. Are we past it?
Yeah,
Okay.
straight lang.
In 200 meters, turn right.
200 meters.
And then
turn right.
keep left.
Straight lang?
200 meters lang. Right. Under construction na roads.
It's wider ang road. Nakatakot sila. They only have very narrow roads.
Yeah,
Tapos
dito,
they,
right.
they allow parking pa.
Turn right.
Here?
Then
Construction area? Ito lang waste talaga. Waste is so
Yeah.
crazy, man. Are you sure, baby?
Yeah, here. Ano ba? Ay, hindi, wait.
Patayin tayo sa...
May other way. Ito na lang.
Patayin tayo dito sa
Main road
bangka.
na lang.
Stay sa highway na lang. Uy, that's not risk.
Grabe yung buwan.
Side streets.
Napunta sa ko, no?
Remember, Google also did that to us. This is close.
I-google mo kaya, Mike. Tapon tayo
I'm
sa...
taking a video.
Ah?
Ano man, priority? Video or the Google?
Video is just 2 minutes.
turn right. And then
Ito ako mas okay yung right dito. Ito na lang.
Okay na yung wider.
Packet din to,
in
ah.
200 meters,
Bakit talaga? Sa hill na
turn
tayo.
left.
Ooh, I think this is better naman.
Ano na lang. Malapit na tayo. 600 meters na lang. Yun yung left. Next left.
Turn left.
Left and then left.
Ito, left side, ah?
Yep.
Same with Google. Oh my god, it's a steep climb.
Turn right.
Ako nang iba ako right eh.
Hmm?
Sa'yo din man ako naka-right din sa'yo.
Right then, Google. Ano, after pa?
Straight pa pala.
Straight pa.
No, hindi pumasok.
150 meters pa parking. Okay. 140 meters pa.
Bawal yung turn right dito.
Straight.
Dito sa
Sa dulo.
lahan.
90 meters. 80 meters. None.
Ano
70.
pinapasok tayo? Dito may highway kanina straight ata?
Turn right.
Alright.
50.